So hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, I am back with an interesting question today. So let us see the question. So in the question, we have a quarter circle whose center is at point Q and QR length is 14 units. This is the radius of the quarter circle. Then we have a semicircle with center at point O. We can see here that PQ is the radius of this quarter circle and also the diameter of this semicircle. So PQ will also be equal to 14 units. So we can say that this is 7 units and this is also 7 units. Now we are asked to find the length of TR. TR is a tangent to this semicircle. So its length we have to calculate. So first of all, if we join O and S, this will be perpendicular. The reason is we know a theorem that if we have a circle and a tangent is drawn to it, then if we join a line segment from the center of the circle to the point of contact, then that line segment is always perpendicular to the tangent. So this is 90 degrees. Now OS length will also be 7 units because it is the radius of this semicircle. Now let us join O and R. This is also 90 degree because RQ is tangent to this semicircle. Now let us focus in triangle RO cube. RO cube. So in this triangle we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So OR is the hypotenuse. So OR square will be equal to QR square plus OQ square. OR square is unknown. What is QR? QR is 14. So square of 14 plus OQ is 7 square. So 196 plus 49. This will be equal to 245. So OR will be square root of 245. That is 7 root 5 units. So this is 7 root 5 units length of OR. Now if we focus on the triangle OSR, OSR and triangle OQR, OQR. So we see that OS is equal to OQ, OS is equal to OQ. Why? Because they are the radius of semicircle. Also SR is equal to QR, SR is equal to QR. The reason is they are the tangents. R is any exterior point and to this semicircle, two tangents can be drawn from this exterior point. So the first tangent is RQ and the second tangent is RS. So their length is equal. So this is also 14 RS. This distance is also 14 units. And OR is common in both the triangles. So we can say that by side by SSS congruency, we can say that these two triangles are congruent. So we can say that the congruent parts of congruent triangles are equal. So these two angles are equal. So let them be theta degree. So in triangle again we will come back to RO cube. RO cube we have cos theta is equal to, if we say it will be R cube divided by OR. So 14 divided by 7 root 5. So we can say 2 root 5 by 5. We can cancel this 7 times 2. And then if we will rationalize, it will become 2 root 5 over 5. So we got the value of cos theta. Let me erase to make some space here. Now moving ahead from the center Q, Let us drop a perpendicular on this chord TR. This is a perpendicular. Let this point be A. Let this point be A. So we know that if we have a circle, this is the center, and if we have any chord, if we drop a perpendicular from the center to this chord, then it will bisect the chord. So using this theorem, we get that QA is perpendicular to TR. Also, QA bisects this chord TR. So TA is equal to, TA is equal to RA. TA is equal to RA. Now we will focus in triangle AQR. In triangle AQR, this triangle. Here it is also a right angle triangle at A, and this angle is 2 theta. So we can write cos 2 theta is equal to this distance AR or RA, whatever you may call, divided by QR. So from here we can get RA is equal to, what is QR? QR is 14. So 14 times cos of 2 theta. In trigonometry, we know that cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So we will use this identity here. So RA will be 14 times inside bracket 2 cos square theta minus 1. So 14 times 2 multiplied by 2 root 5 over 5 whole square minus 1. So let me erase this. So RA will be equal to 14 multiplied by, so if we see, this will be 2 times 4 times 5 by 25 minus 1. 5 times 5 is 25. So this is 14 multiplied by 4 times 2 is 8 over 5 minus 1. So this will be 14 multiplied by 3 over 5. So RA will be 14 multiplied by 3 divided by 5, 8.4 units. 8.4 units. This is the length of RA. So the length of chord TR will be twice AR or RA. So twice 8.4 is 16.8. So approximately the length of chord TR is 16.8 units. So if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.